Hello, we are on day 9. Yes, we are in the home stretch. One more day, guys, for the Make Me Over Beautiful Challenge. And today is the body wrap, where you're going to just wrap your stomach. And I will show you how to do that. Check me out on my YouTube. All right, so we're going to be making the body wrap, and this is gonna be like you're gonna make a little cream so that way you can rub it all over your stomach. This is the area we're concentrating on today. You can put this on, any other part where you would like to, lose inches or help with joint pain or anything like that. But today we're working on the midsection. So what we're going to do is you're going to need a bowl or a cup. All right, and we're using bentonite clay, about a teaspoon of that, a couple of tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. We're using cinnamon, sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon, and about a half a teaspoon of the ginger. Okay, and you can add a little oil to that, coconut oil, whatever oil that you're not allergic to, just a little bit, maybe a half a teaspoon, just so that way it will moisturize the skin and not, dry you out. Now I'm going to add in a couple of drops of the peppermint. You can use peppermint, tea tree, or eucalyptus. One of those, because it has like that menthol sensation, and that's what you want to work on, your stomach. It stimulates, it tightens, it's getting into the skin, and it's helping to, get the water retention and everything to shrink. So, all right, so I put everything in my cup. So you just kind of mix that up. Now you can wear gloves for this. If you have nails or whatever, you don't want all this stuff to get into your nails, wear some gloves. And then you're going to spread that all over the area that you're concentrating on. We concentrate on the stomach. And you could do it on your thighs. You could do it around, the lower, under the waist area, and the buttocks, arms, anywhere that you feel like you want to lose some inches, because you're going to leave it on so it can do its work. Leave it on for about an hour, and then you're going to wash it off, with a clean cloth. And then you may want to, just, if it's moisturized, fine. If you feel like you're a little dry, then add a little bit of more moisture. All right, so if you're doing it on your stomach and you want to lose inches, I would measure myself, measure your waist area, stomach area, and just take about 3 measurements in 3 different spots, maybe upper, middle, and then lower, right above your pelvis. So that way you can see if you lost a half inch, an inch, or whatever. Most of the time you do lose at least a half an inch at a time. So that's what you can do. You can measure. So once you have that, you're ready to put that on. All right, so once you put it on, you are going to need some saran wrap. And so what I usually do is I just take it out, and then I just stretch it and just, pull it around, keep pulling it around until I get, the tightness that I want. Suck in your stomach as you do it, so that way you can get, get some shrinkage going on. All right, now you are going to need your body shaper. And so once you have the saran wrap on and everything that you need, you put your body shaper on, and you're going to hang out with this for at least an hour. Leave that on for at least an hour. Do whatever you have to do. Even if you're going to exercise, you can put this on and then exercise. It's up to you. It's going to help you sweat and get rid of the bloating. So that's the purpose of this, and hopefully to lose some inches. The more you do it, the more you see a difference. All right, so some of the benefits are it detoxes the body, detoxes the skin, exfoliates, basically removes dead skin cells. You can use this for weight loss, losing inches mainly. You're going to be losing inches. Skin tightening. It shrinks cellulite. It also moisturizes and helps you relax. Some people do this for postpartum to get the shape back. Some people just want to get their shape back. It also gets rid of bloating, water retention, helps to tighten the saggy skin in certain areas. So wherever you want to use it, if you feel like you're sagging, that's where you use it. It also motivates you to exercise, because once you see, oh, I lost an inch or lost a whatever, lost a half an inch, 2 inches, whatever, then it's like, oh, okay, so if I do this and I do more, I'll probably lose a little extra. So it kind of motivates you to, try it along with your exercising. And you can also use this for pain, joint pain. Wrap it on your knee, your leg, wherever you're having the pain, and use this for that. And hopefully you'll see a difference. All right, so that is our body wrap. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you like it in the comments. Anything that you're allergic to, do not use. Make sure that everything that's listed that you are not allergic to. You're the only one that knows what you're allergic to. But I hope you enjoy that. Come back for tomorrow. Is the last day of the Make Me Over Beautiful Challenge. And I have a special announcement for you too. Okay, talk to you later.